Hello, today we're going to make some really cute earrings out of UV resin and these stickers that you typically use for fake nails. So I picked these stickers out because they're really cute and they also sort of reminded me of Valentine's Day, which is coming up. So if you're selling your earrings or giving them as gifts, these would be the perfect ones to make for that. So first you put your metal bezels on some UV resin tape, and I like to put cardboard on the edges so it's easier to move around. Then put some UV resin and fill your bezel almost all the way full with UV resin. And then I'm using this toothpick to move the resin around and bring up any of those bubbles off the bottom, because when you use your lighter to pop the bubbles, they're not going to reach the ones on the bottom. So I'm just spreading that around and then I'm going to pop the bubbles. And here in a minute you'll see when I try to pop them, some of those bubbles will stay in there. See how those are staying? So I'm going to bring those up with the toothpick. I had someone recently comment on one of my videos that I'm explaining too much to you guys, which I think is really funny because that's what you're supposed to do in a tutorial. So I will keep explaining it all the way just in case a beginner resin user comes to my channel. I want them to be able to do it from start to finish. So bring your bubbles up to the top, pop it with a lighter. And see how now, as long as you get that to the top, it will pop. Oh, and it popped with the toothpick. So you want that clear of bubbles, so your next step, you're good to go. I still haven't cured this resin. It's still the same resin I poured in there. So you'll want to do all of this pretty quickly so it doesn't cure if you're working in a window, because the natural light from outside will cure your UV resin. So then you're going to take your gold foil, and I'm only doing it around the bottom for this pair. The other one, I'm going to do it on the side. If you see, you can kind of see how that resin's starting to act funny. That's because it's starting to cure already. So you have to work fast if you're in front of a window. But I like using the natural light, so I just try to work fast. So now see, I have them, it's all along the bottom, and then I'm going to cure it with a UV light for about a minute. And now I'm going to try to decide which sticker I want to use, so that's what I'm doing here. There were so many to choose from. They all looked really cute. I chose one that had a flower and it said love in the middle for Valentine's Day, which I thought was perfect. And both of these pairs of earrings turned out really beautiful. And this is a sticker. So on the back of this package, if you decide to buy these, it has some information with what, like water and stuff. You don't need to do that for this. This is literally a sticker that you just stick directly on your cured resin, and then you dome it on top. And then you won't even be able to tell the little clear sticky part around it once you get the UV resin on top. So put a good amount of resin, but not too much on the top, and then take it around the edges very carefully and just dome it. I use a toothpick for this. Some people use a silicone stick, which works perfectly, especially if you like to have a really small one. And you just wipe it off at the end. And just very carefully, try not to go over the edges, because when it spills over the edges, it's going to make a mess. So once you do that, make sure you pop your bubbles, because you don't want a bubble in your project. And then put it under the UV light for about 2 to 3 minutes to finish it off. And so for this project, I'm trying to decide what I want to do because I wasn't sure before I started. They have some really cute flowers that would be pretty on the side. They also have some gold rimmed ones. So I wasn't really sure what I wanted to go with, but this is me trying to figure out and trying to get some inspiration for how I wanted to do this earring. I really just love these pink ones though. So I decided to do another pink one. So I'm going to take some gold foil and break it into tiny pieces and go just along the side and a little on the bottom of this bezel. See how I'm kind of breaking up that gold foil before I even put it in the resin? That's going to help you distribute it throughout it. If you hear my dog's paws in the background, that's because he's pacing the floor. His little claws are hitting my hard floor. Okay, so next we're going to keep on breaking that up, and see how it just makes it prettier when it's not a huge lump. It does take a little bit more time than just like laying a big lump in there, but it makes it worth it, I think, depending on the look you're going for. And this, I had someone ask recently what these little squares are, the silicone squares I'm using. These are actually, on the other side, that's my stud molds that I've got from a seller off Etsy. So I just use the back of those for like doming projects, or sometimes even for things like this, or like you see, I'm using it as a good sturdy place to get my gold foil. It works for a lot of things. I have probably 15 different stud molds that I use, and I just flip them over for this use as well. Now put it under the UV light for a couple minutes, actually just 1 minute for that. Then I decided to use this sticker. It took me so long to decide which sticker to use for this one. But they match because they, on both earring, I decided to use the pink flower, but just a different type. So you very carefully take off that sticker. Some of them have like a stem that can tear off, so just be careful. It's kind of hard to get off with your glove too, but so put that right on there and then dome the top of it just like we did the other one. You can see I'm putting quite a bit of resin on that, but you just want to be careful not to overdo it because it will flow over your edges. Look how it already is making that shine, that sticker shine through that resin. Doming it on top definitely is worth it. And it seals that sticker and makes sure it's going to stay there. And I love the gold foil. I use it in so many different projects. So pop those bubbles and put it under your light for about 2 to 3 minutes. And that is going to be turned over, which is another reason those cardboard pieces come on in handy. And you're going to do the back for about 1 to 2 minutes. And that way, you're not going to have any sticky residue on the back. If you have residue, it's because your tape is stuck on it, which you can use rubbing alcohol and a Q-tip to get that off if it's still sticky from your tape, which it happens sometimes. And then just take these off. I really love how these turned out. These will be great for my Valentine's collection that I'm going to be having to take to my shops. So just go ahead and fold that up in the cardboard. So I have a silver bezel and a gold bezel. So to match, I've got the gold hardware and the silver hardware. So just attach your jump ring. I use the littlest jump ring in my pack for these just because I think it looks better. And then do your earring hook. And I use 2 sets of pliers to make it nice and even, and it's easier on your fingers when you're doing a lot of these. And I really love how this turned out. It looks so pretty. So this is the final product. If you like these, please like and subscribe. Comment, tell me what you think. I have a lot of videos on my channel, so I hope you check those out as well. I love these so much. And I hope you have a happy new year. Today's New Year's Eve. Have a blessed day. Bye.